Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni Kipi Chu, nakakagulat yung impeachment complaint laban noon kay Chief Justice Corona. May kinalaman pala si Risa Hontiveros. Ito yung post ni Kipi Chu, basahin ko. At may video na inattach siya, yung galit na galit si Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago sa isang abogado. Sabi niya, hindi pa ako masyadong, si Kipi Chu hindi pa ako masyadong politically aware at this time. So, watching this and finding out that Risa Hontiveros was instrumental in being one of the sources and preparing complaints against CG Corona is a surprise for me. Nakokonsensya kaya siya? Original video on TikTok, Noy P. Okay, so ito, kine-question ni Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago, yung isang abogado, saan nila kinuha yung mga materials? Inamin niya, Risa Hontiveros. Pakinggan natin.
Gusto mo ba ng animals complaint? Gusto mo kaya gagawin sa iyo yun? Do you want that to be done to you under the golden rule? Do you want to others, you would have others do it to you? And you want us to take you seriously? You have these documents attached to your complaint. Sons of CJ Corona, TCTs, condominium certificates of title, deeds of absolute sale, certificates authorizing registration, bank records with amounts of deposits. Where did you get these documents? Answer me as briefly as possible, please, because I'm under a time limit.
The group of Risa Hontiveros downloaded it po.
But you're one of the signatories
yes.
of the complaint.
I looked at it as soon as it was downloaded from the internet, Your Honor.
Ngayon,
Risa Hontiveros.
kinuha mo na sa internet. What date was it downloaded from the internet?
I am not sure, Your Honor. It was prepared by their group of volunteer lawyers po.
Kung meron na kayo ng mga dokumento na ganito bago December 12, 2011, which is the date of the filing of the impeachment complaint before the Senate, why did you not include it in the impeachment complaint? Why did you not approach the prosecution panel and say, ito, magdagdag pa? Bakit hindi nyo binigay? Ngayon, ginugulo nyo kami dito.
Your Honor, I don't think we had the documents back then.
Alright, if you did not have them, why did you not present yourself as witnesses for the prosecution, against the defendant? So that you would not have to rely on these anonymous internet materials that can be posted from anywhere in the world, that can be invented by any brain in the world, or even people with no brains. Sagutin mo.
Me as a witness, Your Honor?
Yes.
I was not called by a witness by the prosecution, Your Honor. I was called by the
Ba't
defense.
di ka nag-volunteer? Kung ganyan kasi hindi ang galit mo sa defendant. Sa paniwala ko pala, laki-laki ng mga iskandalo ginagawa niya, ba't hindi ka nag-volunteer kung good government advocate ka?
Because po yung mga complaints po na nilagay po namin dito came out na po ng impeachment trial. Yun po yung in-attach po namin.
Hindi, noon pa, bago ng impeachment, nang the House of Representatives decided to impeach the Chief Justice, why did you not come forward if you're such a civic-spirited citizen and say, may alam ako tungkol dyan?
Actually, Your Honor, dun sa mga articles of impeachment against Chief Justice Corona, wala po talaga akong, nung time na bago po i-file yung impeachment, wala po akong mga documentary evidences po.
Wala kang documentary evidence pero you are asking the ombudsman to investigate, mag-provide ka ngayon ng complaint on the basis of an anonymous complaint?
So, very clear yung sinabi ng abogado
Gagawin sa iyo yun?
na yung mga bank documents o anong mga records galing kay Risa Hontiveros, sabi niya. Pinost sa internet. Kinuha naman niya. So, ganun ba? Magbasa tayo sa mga comments Ngayon ko lang din nalaman ito.